Haters, I wanted to take a moment to thank you. Your negativity has been a powerful fuel for my journey. While you've been busy criticizing, doubting, and underestimating me, I've been working tirelessly to prove you wrong. Your harsh words and lack of faith have only made me stronger and more determined. Every sneer, every snide comment has driven me to push harder and reach higher. Your disdain has highlighted your own insecurities, making it clear that you're threatened by my potential and progress. I'm achieving what you said I couldn't because I have the courage, the resilience, and the relentless drive that you lack. Your hate is nothing but a reflection of your own failures and frustrations. While you waste your time and energy trying to bring others down, I'm climbing to heights you can only dream of. So, keep watching, keep doubting. Your negativity is the perfect backdrop to my success story. Remember, the more you hate, the higher I rise. Thank you for being the best motivators I never asked for. Dear
Speak, my mind family. One nation, me tell you, say it stands alone. And right now, me I reach out to One Nation family. Please. Please, me I beg on One Nation family. Me I reach out. That's why we say One Nation stands alone. I am making some t-shirt, One Nation family. And I really want you to go on the website. Visit my website, www.onenation.com. People, me I beg on you. Me not want to come out here. If you come call people name, just to sell my product and me merge them. So me I beg on you. One Nation stands alone, and that's why I use that as a website for you to support my business. Me I print some t-shirt, me I one sample of the t-shirt, me I go show it right now. I want to just support my business. www.onenation.com. Alright? So look at them and look at the words carefully. They are properly print, you know. And it sends a clear signal, you know, where these Ganzis idea are coming from. So look at them, please. Oh, this one is saying Koki Pokey. Yes, and see the here. Yes, see it right here, the white substance. Yes, Koki Pokey. Yeah, and T-Dog. Yes, T-Dog. Yes. So I have all these merch coming out. You know. Yes, these merch fit the summer and the winter. Yes, the type of material build these merch. It fits summer and it fits winter. And if you want to wear them in autumn too, no problem. But these Ganzis are very expensive, you know. We're not going to name these Ganzi and sell them for the cost of $33.66. Yeah, because I hear another person selling Ganzi and she said the price for it is $33.66. And she keep telling people to do the maths. And it was so very easy. It wasn't any hard thing. So if your followers take long to realize and pick up what you're saying, T-Dog, Koki Pokey. You see this here right here? Is the so white substance? Yes. Yes. The $33.66 which you're selling the Ganzi for is to say 99 at 33 and 66 and tell me when I get 99. Speak my mind, people. I have one little video for play for you. So I want to just do the right away. Because now I'm going to be long neither. Because I want to sleep. Honestly, I feel drowsy and tired. So I want to just run up. Do. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Look over there, so I want to say Life is a Mission TV. Continue to support the channel and please to watch the ads on both channels. Help these channels to earn a revenue. Me no want to do this. Because around here so can't carry nothing. You understand? Around here so only make me let out things. It can't carry no farmer baggage around here so. You understand? And at the same time, and everything got my mouth. And everything me swallow. I'm afraid of belly pain. Yes, that's why I did tell God say why make me kind of look different. So, you know what to do. as me say, just watch the ads. Like the two channel can raise a revenue. Me raise a revenue, me give back to the needy. Remember in the comment section you have Tamika Douglas TV and you have Life with Gabby and Chevy. Me I beg you to forgive me 10 subscription a week till me get so fed up me stop asking. Me just come and just say why. Because I think from the time me ask them, I just make them go on and me take them off my list. Tamika Douglas TV, Life with Gabby and Chevy, them in the comment section. Just give them a subscription, man. Please and thanks. It not cost $1. And if you're not subscribed to my backup channel yet, a whole heap of things are going over there. More relaxing, refreshing things. Me have a new thing I come over there named Fun and Games. You understand? Oh, people, condolence, you know. People, trust me. I hear a little sad news today. And you see, sometimes you see these things on social media, you go in the comment section. Some people, if them not have nothing to say them down, just lock them thinking mouth. Come like some of them people over here, so them not have nothing to say and nothing good to say about people, and them make a dirty thinking mouth, they want J's out. You know? Condolence to that family, you know, that police officer who, you know, stationed in the East Kingston area. I don't know if it's the headquarters of Elliston Road or Bull Bay or which one of those station. You know, most of them supposed to hear of it by now. You know, 9 persons of one family in a motor vehicle accident in Florida. His son was also a part of it. He also said he should be a part of the contingent. Me never hear why he not end up be a part of the contingent. You know? Can you believe? 9 persons of one family unalive into an accident. That accident happened in Florida, people. Most of you people supposed to hear of it. So condolence to the family, you know, because that is a really sad moment, grieving moment. As you hear me use the same thing one day when my daughter leave, who I follow the next channel. When you see the video that me put out, sometimes when you hear all my voice when time I reach to talk about her. Remember now, she's still alive. But what? She just gone for around me for a while. And me can feel it, so I have this emotion about me. And memories. You understand? And feel this way. Sometimes I have to just talk because I start continue to talk, I can cry. And just imagine 9 persons of one family and the man actually lose him son in the match. And people are coming in the comment to me and read and attack all kind of crap, man. If you even have that feelings to yourself, keep that to yourself now. On the time now if you come out in the comment, come do that. You understand? And it's not like you know of this policeman where, yes, you know, saying the do what you try to say, if him do this, probably a karma come at him and ray. Come on, man. Leave that for another day, man. Or leave that for somewhere else. 9 somebody of one family, and that is what you could have come up in the comment, come say. Anyway, people, as I say, condolence to the man here, son, the whole family who is in grief right now. It's not easy to lose one person, much less 9. 1, much less 9. Anyway, people, back to this. So, only just subscribe to the channel, them people, and just watch the ads. Thumbs up, share the video, them, you know, on a WhatsApp link or, you know, Facebook page. We never know who you can come and join the platform. You understand? Anyway, people, as on a sip on the Ganzi, it's a Ganzi affair. Pokey, T-Dog. Alright? You know, me no know. Them say they are so gifted and every day them prove to themselves and prove to people, but them just don't want to believe. Say, if this woman, family of 99, who's in America now, no them no name. Because she come out here calling the woman a nickname. And only to know the nickname what she call the woman. The meaning for that name is not the meaning what she think. And a few people come out with the meaning on social media. So what she do now, she take to her platform, she claims say she gonna take lemon. Got you. Dana now say, okay, you know Dana style, take lemon and make lemonade. So basically, She no want Donna run go make the Ganzi them with Berta panic before she. Which she can't stop that. You understand? But she run go first and say she go use lemon make lemonade. But then me not like lemon. I like lime. Because remember back in the days when in Jamaica we never used to have lemon. Lemon always that Jamaica. Where you come from, idiot girl? Idiot girl, nasty girl, where you come from? Lemon always that Jamaica. It might not prevalent in the town areas and stuff like that. The metropolitan area, it might not, not far. You will find a 1 tree here and there. But lemon always that Jamaica. But she said, too, she don't want to make it look like it's a competition. She gonna use lime and make limeade. But it's a real shit, to make these Ganzi because she know basically 99 go and make some of these Ganzi with Berta panic because basically now with at up her head, the name is not a problem to 99. 99 own the name and I call her own self Berta. Title all her videos when you see Dr. Berta, Berta, this Berta. You understand? So she run go make some Ganzi. And she claimed to say the Ganzi them herself with 33.66. And she down in her people them. Do the maths and now understand why it herself with 33.66. And it was so easy, and she spit it out her mouth, me understand what she had tried to do. 99. Because 33 and 66 is 99. But all this only make you look like an idiot. Because all you fear call somebody a nickname. They supposed to be the one I take the lemon, make the lemonade. But because your sister where you do not work and the people them show you up, say the name where you give the woman is a meaningful naming, good name. So you feel so embarrassed and shaming at yourself if somebody will say you're educated. This is only your last resort where you could have run to. Alright, me now make sure make the Ganzi them before me. And you go buy some more cheap stretch out Ganzi and come about 33.66. Me I go show you some of the Ganzi them on our page you won't see it because no phone now go over there. So I want to listen that video here.
Berta t-shirts, you know I got them Berta t-shirts on the website at TinaChinCakes.com. Get it. My day was amazing. I'm a little bit kind of off schedule. I know it's been a while since I've done a live like this. My battery's dying.
People, sorry for the sound and noisy background. As we all know, this gal is a person who like to do live and delete it. So what I did, immediately somebody draw me attention to the live. It wasn't the live either. It was, you understand? Me never in no mood to do no video as me say. Me never plan to. Me other tell me say probably tomorrow and Neil will get because me just not have the social media mood and vibes there. So when me see it, me go so bam and me get up and me just record it. Because as me say, you don't know she will delete. And I say, alright, tomorrow me go do it. But me say no, do it from today. Tomorrow you have 2 schedules. It can be a quick thing and it can be a long thing. And if you have this and want to do it, better you just do it from now. So bear with me with a little noisy background where you hear. Yeah, just bear with me and just listen. If you listen with ear, because you can hear clean, but it's just that the background kind of noisy. Like rain and fall. No rain and fall. You better go load, you better go invest in some new pump for yourself.
T-shirts that are loading, we're going to come with Berta the donkey. Yes, man, we're coming with more designs, guys, at TinaChinCakes.com or TinasCloset.com. We're going to have some Berta designs, yeah?
There's so much business and none of them are progress. Not even one to pull the other. Not even one of our business to pull the other, you know. Sometimes you have some people, as you know, always hear me say, call themselves businessman and businesswoman, have 3-4 business. Just to say them own business. Let me put on this so you can see a little better. Yeah, just to say them own business. But when you check the levels, 3 of the business nothing now go on feet. The next 3 you have business not after you live off of the 1 business you are prosper. And them still a try carry the next 3 with the 1 because what? Them want to say them own this, them own that, and them own tarot. Drop 3 of them, man. And go back to the drawing board. She have so much and not 1 now carry none. This is why she can't survive. Because none of her business is not prosperous. And we see why none of her business is not prosperous. Because she don't have a clean heart. You understand? And not having a clean heart, she exposed that to the wider public who would come and support her as a business person. When you are going to expose yourself to the wider people of this world and figure more or less the few people in your corner is enough to support your business when half of those persons are not supporting you. The next quarter of a half might come around and buy 1/2 dozen cupcake just to make it not look bad. The next rest, just sit down for your life and run up to your comment. But when them feel like one of your business picture or your business adventure where you post, them not like it. But you feel like that little circle is okay for you. There is no way you can have a business and sit down and depend on the people that you're surrounding alone to support you. You have to have business where you attract people from outside. Whether them pass by and see a business and stop, or somebody from in your area introduce them and say, no man, you have to sell good food, or you have to sell good juice, or you have to sell good things. And them come and them look for themselves. And them go out there knowing to feed them side the world and bring more people to you. That's how business prosper. You can't just sit down and depend on the two little man in a year circle. Your business go stagnant, you go just to one place. Because if I 50 somebody in your circle, I just have 50 somebody that will support you. So you know exactly where you can sell and where you can earn. You understand? When you have people that come in day by day outside from here, so from there, so business and move, business and prosper. And this is what now happen to you. Because the wider world in social media see the person who you is. And when your history, them do the research and find your history, them see say it's not no flash in the pan business. You understand, T? When me say I understand and me turn my back, you say T, dog. When I say I understand, you say T, dog. You understand? You understand? You understand, T, dog? Yes. This is the reason why your business is not prospering. Because you live on people and try to tear them down every day. And everybody we are coming a phone, whenever in a phone from back then, is learning about you. They are getting disgust with you day by day. And it's not like they are just hearing hearsay from me, he, she, or the old lady or the baby we just born. Your history is there. All me have to say, all him have to say or she have to say, just go up on YouTube and type in Tina Chin and see what you get. Jesus, please. And your page will come up, you know. You go and type in Tina Chin on YouTube and your page will come up, you know. You know where come up? All these people where you have mail around over the years, decade and more. And a decade is 10 years. And it's a decade and a half and more. You is mailing around people where your evidence, your file is on social media. So when people see these things, them say, boy, I don't lie people I tell upon you. I don't bring people that try bring you down because your record show who you is. That's why your business not prosper. And you come out and you want to live on prosperous people And at the same time you try to bring down prosperous people, you're trying to use those prosperous people on the decoy way to sell your product. That's exactly what you're doing. On the decoy way, you use these people who you try to tear down, who you're not giving accolades. You understand? They are no good. These are the same people you try to use them name to promote your product. Shame on you. Shh, all over your face. Shh, all in your mouth.
I think you were ill, right? Weren't you ill or something, if I'm not wrong? I think you were in this closet yet. I only put it on TinaChipCakes.com. Get your Berta t-shirt. We have more coming. I have one more so far to post tomorrow. That's Berta and the Donkey. We're gonna be posting a lot of t-shirts, and I want you to be
I'm going to put the police in 1 week for them bad boy. But me too old.
You gotta make your live, use your live.
Then now take me like police force.
You understand me? You all like the t-shirts, Danny? Yes. I'm using my lime to make limeade. You know, I drink limeade. You know what I mean? Oh, your heart is good now.
Copycat.
Right, Charmaine? You see, I got good memory about people. I never forget people that I meet, you know. Never forget people. I know a lot of people on here. I never forget y'all. Yeah, I look how long was.
Real copycat, you know. But me know why you're a copycat. Because you're a cat from your barn. Because you love lick. You love use up yourself from your barn until now. And that's why you becomes who you becomes in the dancehall circle. Them just have your mouth like a urinal. Them just have your mouth like a vagina. Yes, man. Simple as that, man.
Like a couple of years ago, I'm glad that you're feeling okay. T-shirt, go on my website, buy the t-shirt, darlings. Charmaine, go on my website, go buy a t-shirt. Yeah, man, go buy a Berta t-shirt and wear it loud and proud. You understand? I have Berta and the Donkey t-shirt.
99 now, if you come on her live a ball and a beg so hard, you know. She just come and advertise.
Okay, if you remember Berta and the Donkey.
Off the shelf.
Yes, we're going to be posting that design
Off the
tomorrow.
website.
Yes, I can't wait to show you that design. Yes, Berta and the Donkey. Go on my website. If you want a
T-dog.
Canva t-shirt, go on my website and get the Canva
Better you
t-shirt.
be a donkey than a dog.
Like and share the t-shirt post, guys. Like and share the t-shirt post.
Dog is a good thing, you know. Because them say dog is a man's best friend. But you have all kind of different type of dog. You understand? And the dog where you is, me don't want to be that the dog there. I'm sure no 99 don't want to swap that name from a donkey to a... You understand? She prefer stay as a donkey. Because the things them somehow no dog do in life. Despite dog is a man's best friend. Because from me grow them say that dog is a man's best friend. And me grow if it come see say. And see the reason why most time people say dog is them best friend. You understand? Because when you love your dog, feed your dog, care your dog, remember not even hands can bite you. Or when him a coward, make somebody just make off of you. Or when him not defend the property where him depend, make somebody make off of you. So me understand. But the type of dog where you is, nobody would want to be that dog. Cause you no bark, you lick. You are not the dog where bark, you suck. You are not the dog where watch people place. People have you run around them place. So me no want to be your type of dog. And no planka person no want to be your type of dog. Alright, T-dog? Yes, man. You're one of the worst dogs.
Tell me what you think. Sound down below the t-shirt, right? Because it's on my website, TinaChipCakes.com. The Berta t-shirt is on my website. I have 2 Berta t-shirts on my website, TinaChipCakes.com. Yes, yes. No scamming allowed in America, Berta. No scamming allowed in America, Dr. Berta. So if y'all want a Dr. Berta t-shirt, it's on my website. No scamming allowed in America, Dr. Berta. No scamming in America, Dr. Berta. And of course,
No carrying of jugs never allowed neither, but you do it.
The Donkey and Berta. The Berta and the Donkey. The Berta and Donkey t-shirt is loading tomorrow. Berta and the Donkey t-shirt is loading tomorrow.
That's all she can
If
say.
you're familiar with
So,
Berta the
hold on,
donkey,
hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on,
check
hold
it
on, hold on,
out.
hold on, hold on, hold on,
Berta
hold
the
on.
donkey
Thinking mode,
t-shirt.
hold on.
For those
Right
of
the
you who
teeth.
don't
Right the teeth, hold on. So let me ask you. That's all they can sing pan? You come, alright, you come out here, you give somebody a name. And all because the name where you give the person, it not hurt them. And you should have known from day one. You can't come out here with a name where you go hurt her. So you come out here with the name, give the woman the name, the woman accept the name, take the name. So because the woman take the name and it not hurt her, you in return say you use lemon make lemonade or lime make limeade. Because you just don't want the woman to do it before you. Because you know that's exactly what is going to happen. But with you, make them t-shirt, yeah. Them all sitting here, what probably as you go and put them over your head, them stretch out. You take them off back, then can't put on back. The neck gone way around so. And the neck gone way around. So you know like me have all these people. And watch it. No stretch out no in this. See there? No stretch out no in this. You understand? And me soon show you the Gansy them what she have. Some big old sitting so. You know, some look cheap sitting them there, you know. Cheap. That's why she can't even talk about 3366. Because she want do the maths and say 99. Kuyato. Eh? Kuyato. Just because the woman won the name now, you feel so, you know, and then the people them go expose you. But wait, she soon send me go Google it. She go send me go Google it, you know. You understand? Because she claimed to say the name Berta come from one donkey a Jamaica. So I mean I know the Jamaica donkey there. But she go send me because she send the whole away. But me I go Google it, me couldn't hear. So me I go show you how fool them is because the people them already come out, tell her what Berta mean, and because of that, she do what she do now. And still come on her live. Cause after she hear all of that what Berta mean, me know if you have any little smartness or education as you say you have, you're supposed to go Google it for yourself and hear, but at the same time, you come back out on your platform and send people to go Google it. Like the people who are going to say, oh, it's a donkey from St. Catherine, it's a donkey from down at St. Mary, it's a donkey from Portland named Berta. That's what she call like, you know, when she send you go Google like that, you not go hear. But you know soon hear, you not hear yet. Wait till she send me.
in Jamaican terms, Berta is usually an old donkey. We normally refer to Berta as a donkey. So it's just so right to make a Berta on the donkey t-shirt. Who would we be if we didn't make Berta is normally a donkey? Right? We all know who
You know
Berta
you
is.
are cookie.
Look it up on Google. Berta, we all know who the person Berta is. Yes, look it up on Google and you see the reference to Berta.
Alright. My time now, people. What's the meaning of Berta? Go on the people. Go back again. What's the meaning of Berta?
The bright one, famous. According to the Bump, Bertha is a feminine name with old German roots to make sure baby never dims their light. Coming from the name Berta, it translates to the bright one, or famous, matching your little one's sharp, dazzling spirit.
So now here. Alright. I would have put up them on the box if you play it again. Alright. I'll go and play it again. What's the meaning of Berta?
The bright one, famous. According to the Bump, Bertha is a feminine name with old German roots to make sure baby never dims their light. Coming from the name Berta, it translates to the bright one, or famous, matching your little one's sharp, dazzling spirit.
Cause we say fire pan room, people Paul and him scissors and comb. Black people want go home. Cause me say fire pan room, Fitina and her scissors and comb. All when you do you can't stop Dana. So you could have talked till you drop down. People, so you say she idiot. These are the people who come on social media going like them bright. These are the people who come on social media going like them intelligent and smart. You name all those words that put a bright person in front of you with dunce, illiterate and fool. Cause whosoever do the research, cause me see it a float around. Whosoever already do the research, come out here and talk. What's the meaning of Berta? Right? You supposed to hear that, and this is why you come out and doing this now, and then through Dana own the name. You come out now like you use a counter to hide the shame or your shame, knowing that you never gonna do the research. But Berta is a name of a donkey in Jamaica. But at the same time, the point where me I try and make yasso, you still send the people them to go Google it. And them are platform people them have a leader. Because after you hear the meaning of Berta, you still send your people them to go Google it. Like them I go hear say the donkey don't send catching the donkey a whole lot, but the donkey don't send me a report and watch it. You look a fool you. All nasty germs like you know, no back like that can't save you know.
Yes, man. Look for Berta and the donkey t-shirts coming tomorrow.
That's all you
Look
depend.
for Berta
That's
and the
all.
donkey t-shirts coming tomorrow. It's all about Berta. Berta and the donkey t-shirts will be loaded tomorrow. Berta and the donkey t-shirts right now we're doing no scamming allowed in America, Berta. That's what we're doing. No scamming allowed in America, Berta.
Look upon them big old ugly sitting here with people. Wait. No, when you show the phone, it'll take a while before it come up properly. See it? And them big old sitting here. Now it now look a style in it. Because she want to expose what she write and the Ganzi so much. That the Ganzi don't even have like a style in it. Like a big old sign out a door with Carl it down. See them there? Let me show you. They not no style in them. See there? Some little cheap Ganzi. This is a white one. See there? Some little cheap Ganzi she have. That's why she can't come out and talk about. See them there? This is the thing why she call the woman Berta. You see the big old sitting where she put this on? Yes. She feel like the name Berta goes to her one big old odious, ugly woman. Because that's what me hear she talk on her life. When she just did come up with this name about Berta. So I don't know how she gone about donkey now. Because the people them expose the idiot. Say the name where she call the woman she try bring down body shame and discriminate. A big she big up the woman. You understand? Big she big up the woman. So she come now at our Berta is the name of a donkey in Jamaica. That's what we used to call donkey. Your mama or your papa ever own one donkey yet? So you used to call people donkey Berta. Eh? Me never know see a walk a girl and give animal name. Like how you is a dog, what name you give yourself? Sheila? A Sheila you give yourself? Your pa Sheila. Sheila a better dog than you. Every dog I know name Sheila better than you. You one of the worst dog me ever buck up on. Worse. So like when you get around and give animal name, did you give yourself any? But donkey was the name of Berta. So you have the people them expose you. And you come now still I tell the people them about go Google.
Alright, buy one of those t-shirts. No scamming allowed in America, Berta. No scamming in America, Berta. I have those two t-shirts in all sizes. One is available in red and one is available in white. Okay, one is available in red and one is available in white. No scamming in America, Berta. One is available in red and one is available in white. No scamming allowed in America, Berta. Alright, we have two t-shirts. One is available in red, one is available in white. Log on to the website, TinaChickCakes.com. I'm going to load it onto Tina's closet in a minute. Yeah, but I have access to Tina's Chickcakes from my phone. Tina's closet, I need to... Haven't seen a t-shirt, back out of the line. You see the Berta t-shirt. I'm coming out with a whole collection of Berta t-shirts, okay? Tomorrow what I'm coming with is Berta and the Donkey. So if you're familiar with Berta and the Donkey, that t-shirt will be posted tomorrow.
People remember to log on to my website www.onenation.com and order your T-Dog t-shirts and your Pokey Pokey t-shirts. Just please remember. Yes, just please remember to log on the website and order your t-shirt. www.com and order your t-shirts, okay?
Works out to be. The price of the t-shirt is $36.63. Do the math.
Hold on. Hold on.
$36.63. Do the math and you'll get your answer. And that's the reason why the price of the t-shirt is $36.63.
Hold on. 33. What she say? Hold on. Come let me there mix up the calculation.
Okay, I do everything creatively. I don't do nothing without my creativity. You know, that's my strongest suit. Log on to my website, TinaChincakes.com. It's going to also be loaded onto
Oh,
$36,
not 33.
Donkey t-shirts coming out tomorrow.
$36.33. So I turn it to and I said $33.36. Oh, well, I see me about $1 and 1 cent. So it's not $33, it's $36.33. But maybe I said $33.36. I see him see but one spin around that.
That's what we have available. All right, no scamming allowed in available in America. That's what we have available right now.
So you come out protesting against scamming in America. Why didn't you protest back then about carrying this substance on my chest here, that little white something here, in your pokey, eh? Why you never come out and do this? Alright. Say you were looking for fast cash. Yes. Let's say you were looking for fast cash because you were, financially embarrassed, so you need cash. And when you check the level of how you were bouncing around in probably a couple of years before, you got an opportunity, which is probably the only opportunity you have gotten to bouncing around the dance hall, because basically probably that's how these guys knows you. These same guys, yes. The same one that you snitch on, yes. Yes. Me hear, but me no care. Yes. Say me a magala. Yes, me a magala. Yeah man, the same guys that you snitch on, that's how they knows you. So that's the only opportunity you get in at the dance hall, And you see the opportunity where them choose to give you one of the worst opportunity. Where you have to go and risk for what you want. Because you wasn't no caliber to them. You wasn't no caliber woman to them. So they just see you as a smuggler, a trafficker. That's all they see you. So if you want to excel, you have to take your chance. And you did take your chance more than one time till you just get caught one time. But I am saying, why back then you never run a campaign like you run now for scamming? Eh? Why you never run a campaign? Say, what you run a campaign for is a lease. It's just that, yes, it might really because you're something kind of command and control on a certain level because I whole heap of border patrol and things get more technology. You understand, more increase and all these things. But say you're something more detrimental something to what you are talking about. And after you go do time feed, you still don't come out and run a campaign. Campaigning and making people know that it's not the right way to go. Please stay away. Please stay away. Just like when Cartel come out of prison, why the CV reporter said to him, say, "Oh, was it?" And the man said, hell. Tell the youth them to stay out of crime. Tell the youth them stay out. You never one day come out here, come tell the people them, the younger ladies and youths like in your age back then or even your same age, because you have people your age still do it. True, most of them probably not get catch yet. But come out here, come educate the people them about it, but you come and educate about scamming. Where?
Yes. Congratulations, Sam. You got the answer. Yes, the price is $36.63. Stop acting like you stupid. You know what?
No, man.
$36.63. Okay? It's $36.63 t-shirts on the website for a reason. So log on. Bertha and the Donkey
That yeah.
t-shirts loading
I'm
tomorrow on the
30
website. I'm just giving you a hint as far as what we have
$36.63.
coming up.
Sure, mix me up.
Right? We have a lot coming up right
Oh,
now on Tina's
oh,
Closet.
me
Okay?
understand how she do
And
it
right
now.
now it's loaded on TinaChinCakes.com for those of
Me understand how she do it now. $36. So she add the $36, you get 9. Oh, so she do it. That's how she do the maths. Me think when she put everything together now. $36, so you know say 6 and 3 and 9. 63 cents, you know say 6 and 3 and 9. So you put the 2 9 together, you get 99. Oh, that's how she do it. At first I was saying she add the $33 to the 6. But me I said no, all that. You understand? Just a final. It's $36. So you know 6 and 3 and 9 and 63 cents. So you know say 6 and 3 and 9 again. So you get 99. Okay. But what all of that for? Where all of that for? That will help you. You see it?
Yes, that's what it is. They own the name, so we're running with the name. We're using our lime to make limeade. We don't
Well,
drink
you idiot. You
we drink limeade. I love me some limeade. So, yes, we're making our limes. We're using our limes and we're turning it to limeade.
Shame me now. Oh, yes, they are running with the name. They are running with the name. Then you give the woman the name. Where you don't want you to come ball and sit down in front of you. Lord, Tina, don't call me so. Tina, that name doesn't sound good, Berta. No, sir. Where's that donkey? No, sir. Big old wood or something that you put for your guns in. No, sir. And that you don't want she come do? You suppose this so they know say she never dare go do that. As she named 80, as she named 99. You have seen this over the years. So we are trying. And now it bounced back on you. And you're so ashamed. People never expose you. Y'all make lime with it. You want some bitter orange. Because you want purge out. All of that bad yeah, you want purge out. And a sour orange you want, and a lime you want, and a lemon you want. You want some bitter orange. Purge you out. Boy, yeah, use lime. Or if you use sitting away, and you throw it upon somebody. Eh? And you throw a name upon people, you know. But you expect say the woman if you come out here and rant off of the name. For you get content. But to the woman now rant, the woman just take it easy, own it, put her doctorate in front of it. Dr. Berta, this, that, there. Yes, I am Berta, yes. Good, yes, good Berta from 99, yes. I am good, nice Berta from 99, yes. Yes. The lady that is selling millions of dollars of cake from Jamaica. And the bakers in the United States can't sell anything, so they carry feelings, they carry belly, them carry back, them carry all kind of sickness for it. You did want she cry, but true she not cry. It all that be a problem. True she not cry, all that be a problem.
Because that's what we do. We turn a positive into a negative. We turn a negative into a positive. We don't, yes, we turn a negative into a positive.
What you say? What she tell the people then say? Yes, she mix up. She confuse. What kind of negative you turn in a positive when the woman takes your negative where you throw at her and turn in a positive?
Serious thing. Get your t-shirts, guys. All right, get your t-shirts on
Move.
the website. Designs are dropping on the website tomorrow. I got to give you a heads up for that. It will also be $36.63 on the website. $36.63. If you don't know, log on to TinaChinCakes.com. I have other variety of t-shirts there too. You know, my creativity has
People, remember, log on my website. Get your pokey. You know, when you sit on the doorway, when rain fall and walk on it. Don't wear it, just walk on it. Like foot cloths. Yeah, your pokey t-shirts and your T-Dog t-shirts. www.onenation.com and order your t-shirts and turn them into flow mat. Walk and pokey. Walk and T-Dog. Yeah, my t-shirts, please. Anyway, people, she keep repeating herself. I don't think I need to go any further in this life. 18 minutes out alive because she claimed to say her battery are dead. And 15 or 14 minutes after live is the same thing she have been saying over and over. Berta the donkey, go get your t-shirt. Berta the donkey, this I have 2 out there, this, that. She just repeat herself. So I don't think I need to go any further. So, people, just before I go again, you know, a little bit of sad news for, you know, a family. I don't know if the whole family is from Jamaica or, you know, some living overseas or what, but 9 family members tragically lose them 3 points into an accident over Florida. You know, and it was sad when I hear the news just before me do that video. Yeah. It was a sad feelings. You know, the policeman where also he's a part of the family, his son also in that accident. You know, so him promise him son, say his son get him visa, I don't know how long or whatsoever, and him promise him son say, yeah man, summer, something like summer me I make you fly man, we are go up summer man, yes. But for some reason him never end up be a part of the contingent. Me don't know why, me never hear him explain that. You know. And 9 of them. That's a big loss. All at once. And like over a period of time. All at once. You just imagine now that family. You know. Don't have a strong breadwinner who capable financially to put them to rest properly. The struggles where these people are going to go through. Probably have to say, next month I do that one, yeah. The next 2 months I do that 2 there. And then it going to look like a favoritism thing. You understand? Because oh you go pick, where you have to dip them name in a bag and pick out who you do first. Wow, it's sad people. You know, but as me I say, I'm going to say a word of prayer for the family who is still here with us. You know, and just hope for the best and them can keep strong, stay strong. Because me say, what do me say it, you know, if me feel so when my daughter leave and me know my daughter gonna find me they run every day so like this. And me feel this way and now me know how it feel when somebody lose a loved one. Me lose 2 persons in my family. What was close to me, she's my grandfather and my auntie. And as me say, me is not a person who show my emotion like that. But deep down in me I burn. And them say something nice to do. But if me can't hold it no more, you now go see that. Me I take with myself. And me gone behind closed door. That's how me stay. And this is why sometimes friends and family member pass and you have some people that are, watch her, him not feel it, you know. Watch her, she not feel it, you know. She did not cry, not even look at eye water. No, sir. And say them are this and say them are that. I saw them live bad. Come on. It's not everybody show them emotion openly. It's not everybody going to wet openly for you to see. It's not everybody is going to break down openly for you to see. You have people who hold it. It's not something nice to do. Because I can tell you, it make your stomach get tight. Your throat get dry. All when you swallow it come like it can't pass your tonsil. And your mouth just start like that chum frat. Yes, because you try to hold an emotion. But when you see you can't hold it, step away from the public or the crowd where you're in where you cannot want to let it out. Go somewhere where you can ease off the pressure they have for you. Because as I say, it's not nice. It's not nice. Yeah man. Yeah man. Mosquito boy, I see man. It's not nice people. So me can just judge. Oh, me don't know how him talk to the media. Me don't know. I don't know exactly. It sound like yesterday it happened. Yesterday what Monday? Me don't know. But me don't know. But it happened recently. I must go over the weekend to yesterday it happened. I don't think it's today. But God knows best. Bless up on yourselves, people, my family. When you know what to do, just like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support both of my channels, Life is a Mission TV, Some real good things are going on. And as I say, me have a new thing when I come up with fun and game. Sometimes, as I say, me I go left one in suspense. Who over there already, who over there, go on over there. At the start of the video, the first video we go drop, fun and game. Me tell you what was the answer before. But now, me I gonna make you be a part of like the person where have to answer the question. To win whatever them a win. You understand? So basically, you're going to play a part. You're not interested more in the video if you watch it till it's done. And each person, me go to if you ask the question, you're going to like a me ask. 5,400. 10,000. Biscuit and banana chips in the bag. What kind of biscuit? Tough crackers? No, you lose. Yeah, you're going to interact. Despite you not depend on me attack, but you just get into the thing so much that you go just play a part. At the end of the video, if nobody wins, I will show you what was in the bag, if it's a package, or if it's money, I'm going to show you how much money, right? Because I don't want, at the end of the day, people might feel like, okay, the girl say banana chips and bun, and banana chips in the bun in a bag in a lime tail. So me I go open it now on camera. After me feel like me getting enough persons and showing it say nobody win, nobody call to the item out of 5 or 6 or 3 or 4 in the bag. See it there? How much money this? See it there? Yeah. Everybody say 5,000. I mean, see there 5,200. So nobody no win. Me I go show no. If somebody win, you go also see it because them will get the money on camera. Because you don't know, when the boy no go around corner, him no hide nothing, him showing everything. All over the next channel, you see everything authentic. Me no hide nothing. When me edit video, me just edit where title and them something there and thumbnail is concerned and so. Me no edit out nothing out of my video. My video them is uncut. If one roach fly from out a door, that's right now, which it is possible, because me see my grill there open, you wanna look. See there? The grill have, I don't like it, they have a mesh. I fly out there and come pitch behind me so. You wanna go say, man, see I see it there? The boys speak me mind have roach in place too. Go over the next channel tomorrow. Yeah, go over the next channel tomorrow and see what me I do. Oh man clean place and we not have to depend on woman. So if a woman say we not wash your clothes and what I feel like me I go walk naked and dirty. Me I go wash my clothes. Because me can't wash my clothes. Washing my something with me not like, and that's why I buy one. Me have one suit, me have sleep up here as my wife. And down at the next yard, me have one iron wife down there. When me plug her in, she just whine for me. Wine for me. She not tell me say she tired, she just whine for me. She not say you overload me, she just whine for me. Yes. And then wash. So when you can go over there, me a clean up my place. You know? Yeah, whole bedroom and sitting. Go over there, man. Life is a mission TV because soon the boy over there clean and clean down in place. You understand? And get the place ready again, cause as I said, daughter gone, you don't know pitney. Most of them are like them show down this here, so show down that. So most of them know pick the room stay. Because someone not turn up chunk. Jesus, peace. Anyway, what I know what to do is I say like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up and like the video. Please to watch the ads and continue to support the backup channel. Tamika Douglas in the comment section pin. Tamika Douglas TV and Life with Gabby and Chevy. Give them a subscription. Alright? And remember, the back to school, they could give back when me have. I come up here now. The books them supposed to deliver Wednesday to me and stuff and some pencils. Yeah, me have a little one special student where me I go give a thing towards uniform and stuff. So that's it. Small platform that's I do what me can do. When one or two support or reach out, which nobody not obligated to because it's not like me I run a charity. It's just when you give me take the gift and give back to the needy. You understand? And the same like a fun and game when me I do is like a giveaway, same way. You understand? But that help also to promote the channel, you know, and me give everybody now a chance if you can gain something. All you got to do is just answer the little question that I got asked. Me not ask you nothing personal or private about your business. It's just when me I give it. If me I give you $20,000, me ask you how much money this. Me I give you this. If you can't tell me how much, me give you. I mean I make it really easy cause you want people, only more people have a fair chance. You understand? So me not really make it that easy. Even like the one that me I don't know. One might see about today or Tuesday, about Thursday, and I go see the one the after. Me drop the first one. No, tomorrow Wednesday, so I go see the cleaning up video. Then you see the first one there. Yeah, but Friday when I see that video then, me kinda do it a way where it's hard for them find out. But it's not about maths. You can't do no maths to find it out. You have to just lucky and I make the right guess. Alright? So let's go over Life is a Mission TV, man. One of the little excited things I go over. The cook vlog, outdoor, indoor, drama. So, me never not say nothing no more. Bless up on yourself. Me gone. Me gone, yeah, man. Me I chat too much. You see, around the talk about a long time. If you go on, me chat too much. Me see you. Nigreta, me see you. My friends, catch you, say that, you know. Nigreta, me see you, man. Keisha, take on the one Nigreta for me. There. See, around this right side of your talk about me chat too much a long time. If you go on. Karen Blair, are you that I said that too? Me lose half of your Karen. You say that too? JJ, defend me there. Karen, I talk about me chat too much. Big up on yourself. Cuz, what go on, cuz? Big up. From over, so. Me St. Vincent and Grenadines. Know yourself. Bless up.